You know what robots are, and you've seen them all around us. But have you ever wondered what's inside a robot? How does it actually see, think, and move? We're going to open up a robot and see exactly how all the parts work together. It's like discovering the superpowers of a robot. Ready? Let's dive in. The brain, microcontrollers. Every robot needs a brain, right? Let's meet the most popular robot brains. Arduino. This is like a robot's basic brain, perfect for beginners. It's a small board that's easy to program and great for simple robots. It can control motors, read sensors, and make decisions. Next we have ESP32. This brain is special. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in. So your robot can connect to the internet or your phone. It's a bit more powerful than Arduino. Raspberry Pi. This is like a tiny computer, the most powerful robot brain. It can run complex programs, use cameras, and even run artificial intelligence. It's what you use when you want your robot to be really smart. All of these brains do the same job. They run your code and control the robot's body and senses. Now, let's talk about movement, motors. What do motors do? Motors convert electricity into motion. When the brain sends a signal, the motor spins, and that spinning makes your robot move. Types of motors. DC motors. These spin continuously, perfect for wheels, fast and simple. Your robot car uses these. Next we have servo motors. These can rotate to a specific angle and hold that position. Perfect for robot arms, grippers, or anything that need to move to an exact spot and stay there. And then, stepper motors. These move in tiny, precise steps. They're super accurate, used in 3D printers and robots that need to be very exact. When your code says, move forward, the brain tells the motors to spin. When it says, turn right, the brain tells the left motor to spin faster than the right motor. That's how robots move. Here's where it gets really cool, sensors. These are the robot's superpowers. Let's meet the top 5 sensors. 1. Ultrasonic sensor, robot eyes. This sensor shoots out sound waves you can't hear and measures how long they take to bounce back. That tells the robot how far away something is. It's like the robot is saying, hello, to a wall, and timing how long the echo takes to come back. Perfect for avoiding obstacles. 2. Infrared or IR sensor, line follower. This sensor shines invisible light and detects how much bounces back. Dark surfaces absorb light, bright surfaces reflect it. This is how robots follow black lines on white paper. They can tell the difference. Also used in TV remotes. 3. Light sensors, the brightness detector. This sensor measures how bright or dark it is. Your robot can tell if the lights are on or off, or if it's day or night. You could program your robot to only move when it's dark, or to follow a flashlight beam. Touch sensor. Robots touch when something presses this sensor. The robot knows it bumped into something. Simple but important. It's how robots know when they've touched a wall, or picked up an object. Temperature sensor. Feels hot and cold. This sensor measures temperature. Your robot could detect if something is too hot to touch, or turn on a fan when a room gets warm. Some robots use this to find fires or monitor the weather. Now let's see how it all works together in action. Imagine you build a simple obstacle avoiding robot. Step 1. Sense the ultrasonic sensor, detects a wall 10 centimeters ahead and sends this information to the brain. Step 2. Think the brain, let's say an Arduino, reads your code. Your code says, if obstacle is less than 15 centimeters away, then turn right. Step 3. Act. The brain sends signals to the motors. Left motor, stop. Right motor, keep spinning. The robot turns right and avoids the wall. This happens super fast, hundreds of times per second. Sense, think, act. Sense, think, act. Over and over. That's how robots respond intelligently to their environment. Want to know something awesome? You can build a robot with just a few parts. A basic beginner robot needs 1 brain, an Arduino board, 2 motors, DC motors with wheels, 3 1R sensors, maybe an ultrasonic sensor to avoid walls, or IR sensors to follow a line, a battery to power everything, your code to tell it what to do. That's it. With these parts, you can build a robot that moves around your room, avoids obstacles, or follows a path. Kids just like you are building these right now. Now you know the secret of how robots work. A brain processes information, sensors gather data from the world, and motors make things move, all working together following your code. The best part? You can start building your own robot and see all of this in action. You're not just learning about robots, you're becoming a robot builder. And that's it, see you in the next video. Future Engineer.